Our most important success is that today Bon Pasteur Kolwezi is recognized internationally as a good practice in protecting and promoting the rights of girls, women and children living in vulnerable conditions in the artisanal mining communities of Kolwezi. This was documented time and again, first of all by Professor Mark Canavera of Columbia University in 2017, and most recently by the Opus Foundation, which awarded Bon Pasteur's director, Sister Catherine Mutindi, with its Opus Prize in November 2019. Last autumn, we opened a new Bon Pasteur Center in Canina, a safe space where 1,000 children formerly engaged in the worst forms of child labor can learn, grow, and thrive.
Well, we have both learned and grown a great deal since the beginning of our partnership. A growing number of children have been able to carve out a new path in life, one that is safer and more sustainable. We are proud to say that between 2017 and 2019, just in that 2-year period, over 2,200 children left some of the worst forms of child labor, including mining, and are now protected and educated due to the programs that we supported and worked on together. During the same time, over 500 women gained necessary skills and alternative livelihoods and improved their income. This is a positive, it's a small, but it's a very positive step towards gender equality and better outcomes for women in the DRC. 3,140 community members were also educated on rights related to the mining code and other aspects. They were also made aware of their responsibilities as citizens and equally the government's responsibilities towards them. We're also happy to have helped inaugurate a new child protection center in Kolwezi with the capacity to educate as many as 1,000 children. The center goes beyond education and includes healthcare, nutrition, counseling and human rights training, as well as an opportunity for families to learn about alternative livelihood opportunities. We are honored to be supporting an organization and a model that is being recognized as best practice internationally. The Opus Foundation awarded Sister Catherine Mutindi, currently director of Bon Pasteur, with their prestigious prize. And Bon Pasteur were able to expand their team with the addition of 18 new staff over 3 years.
Our community development program includes a wide range of integrated activities that the Eurasian Resource Group is supporting. Among these, we build safe spaces for children, girls, and women, empowering women and delivering training on how to develop social businesses, particularly centered on farming. Farming is key to help individuals diversifying the community sources of income and provide food security. In a fragile area like Kolwezi, multinationals like ERG have a clear responsibility to invest in sustainable community development for the long term. An example of sustainable investment is our farming project in Canina, that between 2017 and 2019 allowed 250 members of a cooperative, mostly women, to earn an income and become able to feed their families without engaging in dangerous mining work. Early results in another community, Chala, include 2 farming cooperatives that have been launched with 120 participants in just a few months. The new Bon Pasteur Center in Canina, which was opened with ERG support, hosts the activities of the Child Protection Project, one of Bon Pasteur's pillars to eradicate child labor and provide children with a stimulating and supporting social environment that helps them develop their full potential. As a result of our work, over 2,200 children, as of today, have left the worst forms of child labor between 2017 and 2019. Furthermore, with ERG support, GSIF has constructed 2 boreholes to supply clean water to communities in Canina, helping address one of the key challenges faced by the local community.
Well, through our commitment to sustainable development and human rights, we invest in activities from securing access to clean water, to food security, to ensuring responsible supply chains. In particular, we have prioritized resources and financial assistance to support our communities be safe and to focus on children involved in ASM activities. We have also strengthened capacity building and training for young women and provided support for alternative livelihoods. We have spearheaded studies looking into ways to build on the successes we have seen. One example includes studies for a further very large child protection center in the community of Chala in Kolwezi. This will be managed by the foundation and will offer the only source of free local education. We have also scoped out the development of a new social business model in Chala with a focus on agriculture and fish farming. Preliminary research indicated that in Chala, over 2,000 children were involved in mining activities, while 70% of community children were not going to school. We have helped drive the rollout of the Bon Pasteur intervention program in Chala. This includes the launch of 2 farming cooperatives, the provision of training in financial management, and the establishment of 2 community savings groups. We are proud to observe how the community members are being engaged in farming activities and taking part in these savings schemes. In addition, the program provides capacity building support for young women, as well as community awareness training on women and girls' rights.